Have you ever wondered why the seasons change? Why does the world around us transform every few months? These are the questions that fascinate us as we witness the world around us revolve in a rhythmic dance of seasons. In this dance, there are four main partners: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Each season brings its own unique charm, painting the world with different colors and evoking a variety of emotions. Spring is a season of rebirth and renewal, as life blossoms after the cold winter. Summer, on the other hand, is a season of warmth and vibrancy, as the sun shines at its brightest. Autumn is a season of transition and preparation, with leaves turning into beautiful hues of red and gold. Winter, the final act, is a season of rest and reflection, as the world takes a pause, covered in a blanket of snow. But what's intriguing is that not all regions of our planet dance to the same rhythm. For instance, India, a country known for its rich traditions and diverse culture, recognizes 6 seasons instead of 4. These include the 4 we've just discussed, plus 2 additional ones: the monsoon and the post-monsoon seasons. These variations are a testament to the complexity and diversity of our planet's climatic patterns. But what causes these transformations? What drives the change from one season to the other? Why does spring follow winter and summer follow spring? And why does this cycle continue year after year without fail? The answers to these questions lie in the realm of science, but they're no less magical. In fact, understanding the science behind the changing seasons only adds to the wonder and awe we feel when we witness these transformations. So, are you ready to embark on this journey of discovery? Are you ready to unravel the secrets of the seasons, to understand the rhythm of nature, and to appreciate the dance of life on our planet in a whole new light? If so, then let's begin. Today, we unpack the mystery behind these transformations, the science behind the changing seasons. To understand the changing seasons, we must first look to the sky, to our life-giving star, the sun. Our planet, Earth, spins on an axis, an imaginary line that runs from the North Pole to the South Pole. But this axis isn't straight up and down. Instead, it's tilted at an angle of about 23.5 degrees. This tilt is the first key piece of our seasonal puzzle. As we journey around the sun each year, the tilt of our axis means that different parts of the Earth receive varying amounts of sunlight throughout the year. During one part of our orbit, the North Pole tilts towards the sun. This results in the Northern Hemisphere receiving more sunlight and experiencing warmer, longer days, which we know as summer. Meanwhile, the Southern Hemisphere, tilting away from the sun, receives less sunlight, experiencing cooler, shorter days, and thus, it's winter there. Half a year later, as Earth continues its orbit, the tilt of our planet causes the South Pole to lean towards the sun, while the North Pole leans away. This switch results in the Southern Hemisphere receiving more sunlight, leading to summer there, while the Northern Hemisphere experiences winter. But what about spring and autumn, you ask? Those are the transitional periods when neither pole is tilted towards or away from the sun. During these times, the amount of sunlight reaching both hemispheres is roughly equal, resulting in moderate temperatures and weather patterns characteristic of these seasons. In essence, the Earth's tilt and its orbit around the sun create the seasons by causing variations in sunlight distribution. The tilt determines which hemisphere gets more sunlight, while the orbit decides when each hemisphere gets its share of sunlight. So the changing seasons are a result of our planet's tilt and its journey around the sun. This dance of sunlight and shadow, warmth and cold, growth and dormancy, is the rhythm of our life here on Earth. It's a complex yet beautifully simple cosmic ballet that influences every aspect of our world. Now, why does the sun rise late and set early during winter, giving us those long chilly nights and short days? This seemingly simple question opens a window into a world of celestial mechanics and the fascinating dance of our planet with the sun. The answer lies in the tilt of our Earth and its journey around the sun. Yes, the Earth doesn't stand upright, but it leans or tilts on its axis by about 23.5 degrees. This tilt is the key player in our seasonal theater. Imagine the Earth as it orbits the sun. Due to its tilt, different parts of the Earth get different amounts of sunlight throughout the year. When a part of the Earth is tilted towards the sun, it gets more sunlight and experiences summer. On the flip side, when it's tilted away, it gets less sunlight, leading to winter. But what about the length of days and nights? Well, that's where the tilt comes into play again. During winter, the part of the Earth we're on is tilted away from the sun. As a result, the sun doesn't rise as high in the sky, and its path across the sky is shorter, meaning it's visible for less time. So, the sun rises later and sets earlier, giving us shorter days. At the same time, the longer path of the Earth's rotation at night means that nights become longer. This lack of sunlight not only lowers the temperature, creating the cold weather we associate with winter, but it also affects the environment, causing trees to lose their leaves, animals to hibernate, and humans to bundle up in layers of clothing. So, the next time you're sipping a hot cup of cocoa on a cold winter's night, remember, it's all because of Earth's tilt and its cosmic dance around the sun. And that's why winter days are shorter and nights longer. So, it's clear now that the changing seasons are not just a random occurrence, but a precise, predictable pattern caused by the Earth's tilt and its revolution around the sun. We've delved into the enigma of seasons, peeling back the layers of mystery to reveal the scientific foundations beneath. Our journey began with the puzzle of why seasons change. We discovered that it's all down to Earth's tilt on its axis and its year-long revolution around the sun. This tilt and revolution result in different parts of the Earth receiving varying amounts of sunlight throughout the year, giving us our familiar cycle of spring, summer, fall, and winter. We then ventured deeper, exploring the curious phenomenon of winter's long nights and short days. Once again, the Earth's tilt is the key. During winter, the tilt causes the sun to follow a lower path in the sky, meaning it rises later and sets earlier. This results in fewer daylight hours and consequently, those long chilly winter nights we all know. Finally, we turned our gaze towards the diversity of seasons across the globe. While most regions experience the 4 traditional seasons, some areas, like India, experience a different pattern due to their geographical location. In India, the year is divided into 6 distinct seasons, each with its unique characteristics, reflecting the country's rich biodiversity. But why does all this matter? Understanding the science behind the seasons helps us appreciate the intricate ballet of celestial bodies that shapes our daily lives. It's a constant reminder of our place in the universe and how we are intimately connected to the cosmic dance of our Earth and the sun. The next time you observe the changing seasons, remember, it's all a beautiful dance between our Earth and the sun.